Hi guys, good morning, good day, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is. How are you today? Are you happy to be alive? Okay, today I'm going to cook for you now. I'm going to cook mackerel rundown. Okay, and here's my mackerel, salt mackerel rundown. You can look at it, it's right here, and I'm going to put it to boil. Okay, and this is my coconut. I cut my coconut. All right, guys, you can see. And I'm going to use my blender here. I started to blend some already, so I'm going to show you the rest how I blend it. Okay, guys? So I'm going to wash my hands. I'm going to wash my hands, guys. And I have a hot and cold. I'm using both of them together. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to start my blending now. So I have already some, so I'm going to put the rest that you see how I blend my coconut. So here's my blender, and over here is my blender. My sink is over here. So I'm going to start my blending now. Put a little bit more water in it. And I'm going to show you how I juice my coconut and how I blend it. If you don't have a blender, you can use your grater. Okay, guys? Here I go. I show you how I blend. Okay, guys, you can look at it now. I'm blending my coconut. You can stop, give it a break, and then you can start again. And my pot is over here waiting. I turn on my fire already, so it's waiting now. Okay, so I turn up my fire like that and getting back to my blender. You can tell me how you do yours. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm going to throw my coconut to show you how I juice my coconut. So I hold it like this. Like this. And you can put some water in it. This is how I do it. And guys, I forget to tell you a banana. I'm going to cook banana, potato, dumpling, cornmeal dumpling, and here's my season. Okay, and here's my knives and my spoon I have over here. So watch as I go. Just watch the process as I go. Okay, guys. So this is my first. You can see it, guys. How is it going so far in your country? How is it going? Are you at work? Are you at home? How is it going? Just love my channel and my family, and my channel is Henry Family TV. Subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, so I turned my stove on already with my pot. This is my pot, so I'm going to throw it here like this. I don't use a lot of water to make my rundown. You can see, guys, beautiful. And I'm going to put a little bit more water in it, just a little bit more. You like this, but when you grater, it's much better when you grater because all the juice comes out. Okay, guys, let me put it over here, and then whatever is in here, I'm going to. Okay, guys, look at this. So I put my trash here. Okay, guys, just do it like this. If you want to put it in a chiffon cloth, which is good, but we don't use our strainer. So this is it. So I put some on the stove already. You can see, guys. Good. I'm going to strain. And guys, remember, always wash your hands after you finish, like this, but it doesn't mess the place. Okay, guys, I'm going to throw the rest over here so it starts boiling. Right. So my flame is up. Okay, guys. I finished my blending. Okay. So this is my mackerel now. Look at it, guys. I'm going to put it on the stove over here. So I have my fire. My water is all ready. Turn on my stove here. Okay. And I have my seasoning. This is my seasoning. So I'm going to put this in the hot water and then I do my foods. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you, guys. So look what I'm doing now. You can put it in the boiling water. You can put it in the cold water, whatever you want. See my mackerel? Nice mackerel. I put it to soak already from overnight, but it may not be salty. You can see, guys, look at it. You can cut it in half. You can cut your mackerel in half, okay? And always have a cloth to wipe your area. Keep your area clean, guys. Keep it clean. Okay, so my sink is here. So I put my dirty stuff away over here. All right. So my flour now, after these boil, after the mackerel is finished boiling, I'm going to use the same pot to cook my dumpling and banana and potato. So what as I go, guys? What as I go? Live up my channel, share up my channel, comment, make a comment. Make a comment, guys. Make a comment, love, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. Okay, guys? Right, so I always have a clean towel here. All right, so I'm going to make my flour, or I'm going to make my dough, whatever you call it. I'm going to make it, get it ready, get it set. The best sometime if you just make your flour and get it to set. So this is my cornmeal. Here's my cornmeal, guys. So I'm going to prepare all of these. This is my cornmeal here, and I put a little in my. All right, this is okay. This is my salt. This is salt I use, the pink salt. Okay, let me use the other side. Too much. I don't use a spoon. I just use a like this, just a little. Okay. So I'm going to make it until. Okay. Remember, guys, always wash your hands. Always wash your hands, guys. Okay. Let me dry my hands over here. Okay. So this is how I make my dumplings, or rather, sometimes they call it your dough. So this is how I make it. Okay. So I'm going to prepare and let it stay there, sit. Okay, guys. So my coconut is coming down. It's coming down, guys. Looking so good. Coconut is looking so good, guys. So I'm making my flour. So after I take out my mackerel. Okay, just look at this, guys. This is how I make it. Just look at it. Take a little water. Take a little water. Some more water. But I love the cornmeal in the flour. Good digestion. When you do it like that, it digests better. Do like this. Use up your two hands. Use up your two hands, guys. Right. Do like this. Knead it out like this. Good. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back on my channel. Welcome back. Make a comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. How is your day going so far? See my coconut milk here, my rundown. It's going. See, look at it, guys. Oil is coming up. Have you ever heat this before, guys? Look at it. And make sure when you're boiling your rundown, you scrape the side like this. Scrape it off like this, guys. Look at it, guys. Can you see? Nice. Over here now, guys. This is my salt mackerel. You can see? Boiling. Okay, guys. Look at it, guys. Make sure you soak your salt mackerel. I put mine to soak from overnight, but it is not too much salt in it. Okay, guys, you can try this at home. Make a comment, man. Make a comment. Subscribe to my channel, Henry Family TV channel. Cooking and cleaning on my channel. Look at it, guys. Okay. Tell a friend to tell another friend about my channel. I'm going to show you how I cook. Have you ever eaten this before? Just make a comment and let me know if you ever eat this before. All right, so it's coming up with banana and dumpling and potato. Okay. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. See my rundown? It's coming right down. Okay, guys. Remember to subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, make a comment. Guys, you know what I'm going to do? Have you ever tried this? I'm going to put corn. So it's corn rundown with salt mackerel. So I washed them already. So I'm going to boil them in there. Okay, guys, just like this. So you can try it at home. Corn. Okay, guys. See? I cut them small so you can, if you want to put yours full, you can put it in there. You can see it, guys. So I cut them in pieces. So it's going to boil in the rundown. All right, guys. And see my mackerel, my salt mackerel is almost there. So the next time around, you see me cleaning up the mackerel. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching again. Remember to share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and make a comment. Guys, welcome back again, guys. How is it going so far? How is the weather? This is my salt mackerel. I'm going to put some cold water in it, and I'm going to show you how I clean my salt mackerel, guys. Just look at it. So you put your head in it. This piece of head, this is so nice. I don't know if you put it in it, but I'm going to put it in mine. I love it. I love it, guys. This mackerel, I'm not going to do it small. Guys, remember to take out your bone that you can eat comfortable. You can make it in small pieces, but I like to make it in a big piece. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. Some people they scrape this off, but I don't scrape it off. I like it that way. But if you want to, just let me know how you do your mackerel. I don't scrape it off. I like it. This is the head. So I don't take off anything. Just like this, and that's it. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this mackerel. Make sure you take out all your bones. Okay, guys. All this big bone, I take them out. Okay, guys. Look at this, guys. This is my salt mackerel. It's not too salt. Just nice. The texture of it is nice. It's not too soft, as it's not too salty. Okay, look at it, guys. You can put your bone like this in it, no problem. If you want, like this, I'm going to put it in it. But be careful of the bone, guys. Be careful. You guys, I try to take out all the bones. Look at this. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. I enjoy doing it when it's bigger pieces like this. Look at this. That's how I do my salt mackerel. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at this. You know, if you want to scrape the back off like this, you can. But if you don't want to, you leave it like this. Okay, guys? So I don't scrape mine. If you want to put your bone in, that's fine. When we were children or kids or whatever, we always want the bone. We always tell our parents, put the bone in. We love the bones. Do you love the bones, guys? Okay, guys. Look at this. You can see. So I'm going to get my seasoner. And when let me show you my pot over here. When it's boiled way down, I'm going to put, and I'm going to take time and simmer with my seasoning. So as I go, just follow me as I go. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. See my corn is cooking here. See my rundown going down. See it, guys? You see the oil? Okay. See it, guys? All right, just look at it. Try this on your channel, guys. Try this at home. Okay, guys? All right. And over here now, I have my pot. I drop a piece of saltfish in it because I'm going to cook banana. Okay, guys? So it's boiling up. So watch me as I go. Just share, subscribe, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay, guys? Okay. So I'm going to peel my potatoes. So look at it now. Like I'm peeling my potatoes now. Okay, how is it going so far? How is it going? How is your day? Are you glad to be alive today? Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. I'm peeling my potato. Okay, guys. So I have one potato here. Hey, guys. Look at it, guys. Keep your knife sharp to peel your potatoes. If they are not sharp, it's not good. It's hard to peel when the knife is not sharp. Don't make it too sharp though. Sometimes it will cut you if you're not careful. So look at this now. Look at this, guys. I have my potato here. I'm going to wash them in my sink over here. Okay, guys. Look at this. Okay. Okay, now. So I'm going to peel my bananas and then I'm going to make my dumplings. Okay. So the bananas are hard. Yes, they are hard. So I'm going to see, guys. I'm going to put my bananas in first. Okay. Let's look at it, guys. Look how I peel my bananas. See my dough there getting set. Okay, almost. Look at it, guys. Look at it. You can put it in the water. If you don't want to put it in the water, you can just put it in the pot. But I'm just going to put it mine in the water. And then I put everything in the pot, guys. Just look at it. Nice, pretty banana. I like banana with my rundown. I like banana with my rundown, guys. And dumpling. Cornmeal dumpling, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Sometimes they say you can just put the banana in the pot in the skin, but I don't like the banana in the pot with the skin like that. I don't like to cook it like that. We used to peel our bananas. We don't cook it in the skin. There, guys. Look at it. Look at it, guys. So as I go, I can just wash. Look at it. My water is boiling. So I'm going to put my bananas in because they are hard. So I'm going to put them before. I'm going to put the potatoes last. See pot boiling, guys? You can see. I have two more fingers here. I'm going to put them also. Okay, guys. Got my bananas. My bananas, guys. Look at it. I'm going to put in my dumpling last because the bananas are hard. So I'm going to put my bananas in now. This is my last banana. Last finger of banana. Do you like bananas? I love bananas, guys. There you go. Okay, let it stay there and boil because they're very hard. Maybe I'm going to put the potato in last, right? Oh, I have one finger left. One finger is here. I'm going to put this. One finger is left, guys. I'm going to put it in. You can wash your bananas. You don't have to wash your bananas. You can wash if you want, but you don't have to. Sometimes I wash, sometimes I don't. Okay, guys. Put the finger of banana. Okay. So I'm gonna put everything in now. Okay. See my pot boiling? It's coming down. I'm going to turn on the fire because I don't want to dry out. So you see my pot boiling, guys. My potato. Don't have to cut. It's boiling. So I'm going to make my dumplings now. Okay. Wash your hands, guys. Always wash your hands. Wash your hands, guys. Wash your hands. Wipe your table. Clean your table as you go. Wash your hands, guys. I have my towel over here. I dry my hands. Okay, I can just keep it here. Okay. And guys, I'm going to put salt in my pot. Just a little salt. You don't have to put a lot of salt in your food. Salt is not too much good for you. So I'm going to put just a little. Right. And then I taste it. Always taste your pot, guys. Always taste your pot. You see my oil coming down? It's gathering the oil. The coconut give it this color. This is a coconut. The corn make it this color. You can see? See? It's yellow. It's have a yellow color because of the corn. Okay, let it stay there. Watch me as I go, guys. Watch me. Watch as I go, guys. I'm going to make it and put it in a plate. My pretty plate, guys. I got my pretty plate. I'm going to make it. I like to make my dumpling with cornmeal. That's how I make my dumpling, guys. I make my dumplings. Like my dumpling, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, make a comment. See, guys, it's my dumpling. Always share with a friend. Henry, Henrys, Family TV is on cooking channel. Okay, guys. See my pot boiling over here? Waiting for my dumplings. Okay, guys. You like your dumpling big or small? I like them small. Okay, guys. I like my dumpling. Instead of moving back and forward, I just Put it in a plate or whatever. See my dumplings here? Cooking. Tell me what you want me to cook for you. Just tell me. Subscribe to my channel, guys. And when I upload a video, turn on your notification bell. Okay, so this is it, guys. You can make your dumpling in whatever form. You don't have to make them round. You can make them long. Okay, so this is it, guys. So I'm going to put in some dumplings now. Look at it, guys. These are my dumplings. Hey, guys. Look at it. Oh, my spoon. Look at it, guys. You can see. I put a little piece of saltfish in it, guys. Look at it. Okay, guys. Okay, look at it. Look at it, guys. Look. Look at it. Okay. Okay, guys. Finish my dumpling now. Watch as I go, guys. Watch as I go. Look at it. Okay, guys. Look at my dumpling. Okay, guys. And one of the day I'm going to make coconut dumpling, beetroot dumpling, carrot dumpling. All of these dumplings I'm going to make for you one of these days. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my pot now. This is all my food. Okay. Okay, guys. That's my pot. I'm going to taste my pot. Let me show you how I taste my pot. Okay, see my dumpling, my potato, and my bananas. Okay, let me taste my pot. Show you how I taste my pot like this. Like this. Okay. Maybe one just a little bit more salt, and that's it. Just a little bit. Not too much salt, guys. Just like this. And that's it. Okay. That's it, guys. So you put away your stuff as you go. Washing my hands now. Washing my hands, guys. Washing my hands. Always wash your hands. So my rundown is there. Got it. It's right there. And my mackerel is here ready. So I'm gonna get my seasoning ready for you. So watch as I go now, guys. I use my big knife to cut my seasoning. And clean as you go, guys. Clean as you go. See my area, make it clean. I wash my seasoning already, so I'm just going to cut. What I do is that I just cut it in 4 or 2. Sometimes I cut it in 2, then I cut along. Look how I cut my seasoning, guys. Got my seasoning. Okay, sometimes you can put it in whole. This is my garlic. This is my scallion. This is my garlic. Okay. You have to be careful with the knife. Careful with the knife, guys. Cut it now, guys. Boiling up. I have a piece of pepper. I'm not going to put a full pepper in it. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this one. Don't want it to be too spicy. Okay, so I have a little piece of red pepper here. And I have onions, a big onion. My onion, I cut it like this. Sometimes, if it's small, okay, guys, this is how I cut it. So I cut it, guys. Okay, I put a little piece more in there. I'm cutting up my sweet pepper. That's a mini sweet pepper. Cut it up, guys. Guys, and I have my big sweet pepper. I like the red sweet pepper. So I already washed my sweet pepper, guys. So I have the mini orange pepper and I have my red sweet pepper. Okay, so I have all my seasoning here now. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Sometimes thank you for liking my video. Also, thank you for commenting on my video. Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel, Henry Family TV. This is my dumpling, banana, and potato, and this already cooked, so I'm going to turn off my fire. Okay, and this is my corn, mackerel, salt mackerel, and coconut milk. That's my rundown. So I'm putting my scallion. I'm putting my scallion here, my garlic, my onion, my sweet potato, my sweet, my sweet pepper, my tomato. Guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Tune into my channel. Can you see it over here, guys? Can you see it here? Look at it, guys. Corn, mackerel, and round down. Okay, guys. All right. So what I do now, guys, is that I don't allow my seasoning to boil out like that. So this is my salt mackerel, guys. This is my salt mackerel. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. And if you want to, if your coconut juice has boiled down and you want to put more water in it, fine. Look at it. Look at it, guys. There's a little bone here. Take out the bones. Remember, guys, take out your bones. And while you're cooking, if you see any bone, don't be afraid of taking out your bone. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Can you see it, guys? Look at it. Nice. What I did, I put a little ginger. Powdered ginger. Get it? Or you can just put a little. But in everything, I try to put my ginger, guys. Look at it. You can just tip a little ginger. And I have all-purpose seasoning here. If you want, you don't have to put seasoning in it because the mackerel is already okay. Okay, look at it, guys.
Nice. I want some now.
Look at it, guys. Look at it. You want to put salt in it and taste it. Make it salty, but not too much. And guys, what I do, I put I put um cloves in it. But what I do, and cloves and thyme, and I just put cloves and thyme and rosemary. I put it in it, but what I do, I boil it, so I don't have to put no leaves nor nothing in it. So I boil it, steam it, and then I pour a little in it. Okay, so next time I'm going to show you how I do my rosemary. So no leaves at all, no leaves in it. Got it, guys? Got it? Tell me how it look. Just subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Tell me how it. What can I do? Tell me how you do yours. You can put a corn. You see the corn? Corn bring up the taste. Okay, guys? Look at it. I'm going to turn down. Okay, look at it. You can put a little bit more water in it. So I put some water in it, guys. See? So you have a lot of liquid. Okay, guys. And as I say, you clean your area as you look at it. I'm going to taste it. Look at it, guys. See? See my mackerel. Okay. See my corn. So corn make it a better taste. Okay, right, guys. Okay. Let me taste it and show it. Always taste your pot. Okay. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Good. I'm going to show you how to taste my pot. Always taste your pot. Okay, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, share, tell a friend, like. Okay, guys. And this is my pot ready to eat. So my next, you see me the next time eating my food. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I have my finished product now. You can look at my food now. Okay. All right. So what I do now is my dumpling. You like dumpling? Okay. So what I do, I normally put it in another plate like this. Drain the water off. I don't take it from the pot and put it in the plate. I put it in a plate, drain off the water, and then I put it in this plate that we're going to eat from. Okay, guys? So I'm going to just put here. Try the piece of this. If it's good, see what happened. Okay, guys? Look at this. So I'm going to drain, and I'm going to show you how I taste my food and eat my food. Look at my dumplings. Do you want some? Okay, guys. So I'm going to put it here. Not much, so just a little piece of corn here, a piece of mackerel. Guys, look at it. Piece of tomato. If you don't want so much oil, guys, while you're cooking, you can take out the oil. Okay, guys, look at this. Look at this. So after I share the food, I take it out of this, put it over here. Tell me how you do it. I don't take it straight from the pot to pot. Okay, guys. So this is my finished product now. Look at it. This is my finished product. This is it now, guys. Look at it. I'm going to just give it to my husband to let him taste it.
So I'm gonna taste this now and see it.
Put on a smile on your face.
I'll tell you what I think about it. Actually, I can have myself one.
Taste, taste, taste.
Mm. See this? So nice. Season put together. So good. So nice.
Okay. Thank you
Hope
for
you like it.
thank you for
Share, subscribe, and
tell a friend to tell another
tell
friend.
a friend and like, share.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.
Here's good.
Bye.